Hey bro, have you ever wake up in the morning and then you said, "Oh, this is the batik uniform day."
Yeah, that's why you must be disciplined. That's a score everyday rules.
Discipline or we just follow the rules that we never question?
Because each uniform bring different purpose. Like example, if Monday and Thursday is like formal, and Wednesday is like use batik for national attire, and it's bring the structure.
Oh, if structure, why we must change our clothes every day for us to follow the schedule?
Because it's psychological. Why?
Psychological.
Because if you wear a suit, yeah, you act more serious. Same with school. If you use uniform, that will help student mentality switch gears.
Or maybe it's just stressing them out, bro. I've seen classmates panic just because they were wrong uniform every day. For example, today is batik day, but there is someone, my classmate, is wearing formal uniform.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's part of learning, discipline and attention to be detailed. Why? Because you must discipline. That's why you must be disciplined.
Discipline. Okay. What about we talk about the real world? So some families struggle to buy the uniform, bro. Like what the Saturday uniform that's so expensive, or maybe Pramuka that's so expensive. So why we need to change our uniform? Why not mandatory?
Okay, so that's why schools usually knows it at the beginning of the year and give support programs.
So that's why the schools must wear different uniform
Yes.
schedule. So why schools usually announce at the beginning of the year
It's a shared sacrifice for a sense of community.
of the community, or just necessary pressure? Wouldn't one comfortable uniform be simple uniform?
Different uniform also serve a functional purpose. You would want to play the soccer if still for amateur, right?
Yes. Okay, I agree, but that can be solved by just having two types, one academic, one sport, not five.
It's identity. Monday has a different vibes than Thursday, and the uniform reinforce that. Like example, Monday is for you use a white shirt and blue pants, and the Wednesday you use batik and blue pants. That's make more different
Different.
identity. It's more good at identity.
Oh, different identity.
Yeah.
Okay. But isn't that first identity? What if I feel most productive in the sport uniform?
Then it's not about your mood. It's about respecting the school system.
Respecting the school system. This is what I don't get it. School says be creative, think outside the box, but then limits how we dress every single day. We must wear different uniform every day like that. If one day different from the Tuesday like that.
Uniform create equality, not just judging you based on brand or fashion. You focus on academy, not focus on your clothes. So, example, if your school is free, like example the school give free. Example, Monday use free uniform. So, some people maybe use branded item, so that's make a different thing about school.
But they still
Because wait,
Okay.
because we focus on the academics, not others.
But they still judge us if we take the wrong uniform, if we mess up the schedule. Isn't that also a form of discrimination?
Not if everyone follow the rules.
Follow the same rules.
Yes. follow the same.
Imagine wearing a thick firmware in what very hot degree. So it's very hot. in that day. So it's torture, bro. If we wear the uniform and the day is very hot, it's very torturing.
Then school should improve the fabric, not abolish the uniform system, bro.
What about rainy days? Some uniforms aren't even weather friendly.
True, but changing that doesn't mean removing the rotation system, right?
Yeah, but you know what this remind me for? It's John D. Rockefeller. You know that?
I don't know.
So
But I ever hear the name.
So that is the guy who created the school system, and he said, "I don't want a nation of thinkers. I want a nation of workers." So sometimes I feel like school policies, like mandatory daily uniforms, you must follow the schedule, are not really about discipline. They're about control. They're controlling us. So they're training us to follow, not to question.
But rules aren't always about control. Sometimes they provide structure so we can think clearly.
Then we should teach why the structure exists, not just force everyone into it blindly.
Okay, so honestly, I think
What?
tradition sometimes teach reason.
Which lesson?
Yeah, so uniform may be old school, but their impact is still real.
Impact still real. Like what the impact?
So the impact of the because so example we use today we use pramuka but uniform.
Yes.
So that's make we more uh, com- uh, more
Nor what?
more look like same.
Nor look like same.
Yeah, because if we use free uniform, sometimes people maybe will just use t-shirt, t-shirt.
Yeah, t-shirt. Okay.
So that's make you look like not tidy and you not going to school.
Not tidy and not going to school. So same uniform every day. Yeah. But same uniform every day. So that's why school is for just for workers, not for we create what a thinkers, maybe a generation of the new generation of maybe another new what the new generation, a better generation. They're just a generation of worker, not a better thinkers of generation.
Okay. So what you say before?
So I said, so you said kan, if we if we wear the same uniform every day, we can be tidy. But if not, it will be not tidy. That's the
No,
purpose
I
of
not.
wait.
Yeah.
That's the purpose of worker, bro. Because worker every day using the same uniform. So that's why the school is for just for workers, not for a person who want to make a better version of himself.
Okay. I not say school must use what uniform every day.
Okay.
So example like this. If you Monday use the correct
Yeah, the
uniform,
correct uniform.
but the tomorrow the Tuesday you use the wrong or incorrect the uniform. So that's okay, but and maybe
What?
maybe the school is the rules is flexibility with purpose.
Flexibility with purpose. Okay, bro. Honestly, I think we are holding on to tradition more than reason.
And I think tradition sometimes teach reason. Uniform may be old school, but their impact is still real.
Okay. Then maybe the best rule is flexibility with purpose.
Agree. as long we don't lose with the value behind.
Okay, I think that's all for the debate today.
Okay.
Okay, maybe my brother Dirham ya. Thank you for the
Thank you,
time
Marvin.
for debate. Okay, that's all.
That's all from us.
Okay.
Last we say wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.